Hello everyone, I am Anshul and my friends welcomes you all to our presentation and our topic is IP protocol stack. Group number 4. IP stack. Another model. Yeah. So why another model? It makes data communication possible between any two computers anywhere in the world. It communicates at nearly speed of the light. And third is TCP or IP reference model because it wanted a network that could survive any conditions. There are four layers in this model: application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and network access layer. So moving to first layer, that is the application layer. The application layer of the TCP or IP model handles high level protocols, issues of the representations, encoding, and the dialog control. In the figure you can see that the key features of the application layer is file transfer, email, remote login, network management, name management, which is used by the router. Second is transport layer. Transport layer, it provides the transport services from the source host to the destination host. It constitutes a logical connection between these endpoints of the network. In this figure you can see this. The transport layer has the two main features, that is transmission control protocol TCP, which is connection oriented, and UDP, that is user datagram protocol, which is connectionless. So moving to the third uh, point of this transport layer is resemblance upper layer applications into the same data stream between endpoints.
Hello sir, my name is Vimal Gupta and I will be telling about internet layer, network access layer and transport layer. So beginning with the internet layer, and internet layer is the layer which is used to select the best path through network for the packets to travel, like to transport. And another task it does is switching the packets which occur at this layer. Internet layer comprises of internet protocol, internet control message protocol, ARP, the address resolution protocol, and reverse address resolution protocol, which is RARP. Next one is network access layer. This layer, as per the name, is also known as host to network layer because it is the layer which is concerned with all of the issues that an IP packet requires to, like, basically making a physical link to the network media. And it includes the LAN and WA and WAN details and all the details contained in the OSI physical and data link layers. The examples could be Ethernet and fast Ethernet, FTDI, ARP, proxy ARP, also frame relays, SMDS. Now comparing TCP IP and OSI models. So TCP IP models basically use application and transport layers as protocol and internet and network access layers as network connections. OSI model use application layers, application presentation session, and for data flow layers it comprises of transport layers, network layer, data link, and physical connections. So using UDP, TCP IP transport layer does not guarantee like reliable delivery of packets, but it is much better in case of OSI model. So here is the brief introduction to transport layer. As per the name, transport layer has the duty to basically transport and regulate the flow of information from the source to destination accurately and reliably. This is the primary duty, and another task could be end-to-end control, and this reliability is provided by sliding windows, sequencing numbers, and acknowledgements. Using reliable transport, we can accomplish ensurety of segments delivery, and it provides for the retransmission of any segments that is not acknowledged, and putting segments back into their correct sequence at the destination, as after it is arrived it might be in the different sequence, and providing congestion avoidance and control. Here it is more on transport layer. So transport layer provides transport services from the source host to the destination host, and it establishes a logical connection between the endpoint of the network, uh, and the transport layer has these few basic services like segmentation of upper layer application data, and as I told, establishment of end-to-end operations in network, and transport of X segments from one end host to another end host as per the name, and flow control provided by sliding windows, and providing reliability by sequence numbers and acknowledges. Now Himanshu will tell more.
Hello, I am Himanshu Rane, and for next few slides I will represent flow control. As the transport layer sends a data segment, it tries to ensure that data is not lost. A receiving host that is unable to process data as quickly as it arrives could be cause of data loss. Flow control avoids the problem of the transmitting host outflowing the buffer in the receiving host. Three-way handshake. TCP require connection establishment before data transfer begins. For a connection to be established or initialized, the two hosts must synchronize their initial sequence number. Basic windowing. Data packets must be delivered to the recipient in the same order in which they were transmitted to have a reliable connection oriented data transfer. The protocol fails if any data packets are lost, damaged, duplicates, or received in a different order. An easy solution is to have a receipt acknowledged to receipt of each packet before the next package is sent. Thank you.
We read about TCP. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. The Transmission Control Protocol is the main protocol of the Internet Protocol suite. It organized the initial network implementation in which it complicated the Internet Protocol, and it transmits the oriented 4-layer protocol that provides reliable full duplex data transmission. Second, TCP is the part of IP protocol stack. TCP is the responsible for breaking message into segment. TCP supplies a virtual circuit between end user applications. And last one, the protocol use TCP. The protocol that use TCP includes first one FTP file transfer protocol, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, SMTP simple text transfer protocol. The fourth one and last one is Telnet. Now we come to the final UDP, user datagram protocol. User datagram protocol is the one of the core member of Internet Protocol suite. With UDP, computer application can send message in the case referred to the datagrams to other hosts of Internet Protocol of network. Now we more know about the UDP in various parts. First one, UDP is the connectionless transfer protocol in the TCP or IP protocol stack. Second one, it is the protocol that exchange datagram. Third, it uses no windowing. Fourth, it designed for applications that do not need to put sequence of segment together. Now, in also the protocol, the UDP includes first one TFTP means Tribal File Transfer Protocol. Second one SNMP Simple Network Management Protocol. Third one DSCP Dynamic Host Control Protocol. Fourth one DNS Domain Name System. Thank you.